Hello students and parents, Mr. V back at it again. Here's the second part to the fractions videos. So just so we can cover this much more easily, we're going to go over how to multiply proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions in this video. We already know the basic part for proper fractions, but I'm going to go over it again. So for proper fractions, remember the top number, or the numerator, is smaller than the bottom number, which is the denominator. So in this example, we're going to do 1 over 2 times 3 over 4. This is very easy. Just like in the last video, you're going to multiply across. So 1 times 3 is 3. And then 2 times 4 is 8. That's the answer to that. Very simple. If you know your multiplication tables, multiplying fractions will be very easy. But what if it's improper fractions? What if it's backwards? Well, let me change the color of my marker. Let's do 2 over 1 times 4 over 3. It's flipped. Does that mean I have to do a different operation? No, you just do it normally. You multiply across. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then 1 times 3 is 3. And your answer is 8 over 3. It's similar to proper fraction multiplication. Not that difficult. Now, let's go with mixed fractions. So mixed fractions are a little more complicated only because there's about 1 or 2 extra more steps. So let's do 1 and 1 over 2 times 2 and 3 over 4. Now, most of my students, from what I have seen, they don't really know how to do this on their own. What I've seen so far is that they multiply the whole number. So 1 times 2 is 2, and then 1 times 3 is 3, and then 2 times 4 is 8. This is incorrect. That is not how you're supposed to do it. To multiply these, they have to be converted into improper fractions. And for that, if you look above right here, to do that, you have to do the whole number times the denominator plus the numerator. So the 1 on the left side is the whole number, the 2 in the bottom is the denominator, and the 1 on top is the numerator. And then the same format for this as well. But let's go with this one first. So here it says I have to do the whole number times the denominator. Well, 1 times 2 is 2. So then I got to add the numerator. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So over here, I'll put the 3 on top. Now in the last video, I said the bottom number doesn't change. That is the same rule here. The bottom number doesn't change. So for this new equation, the 2 is going to go here as well. We're done with that part. Now the next part is the next mixed fraction. Same thing, the whole number times denominator plus numerator. So the 2 is the whole number, the 4 is the denominator. So 2 times 4 is 8. And now we're going to add the numerator, which is 3. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So the 11 goes on top. And then the 4 in the bottom does not change. So it'll go here as well. Now we can multiply normally. So we'll do 3 times 11 and then 2 times 4. 3 times 11 is 33. And then 2 times 4 is 8. And there you go. That's how you solve it. Now, I still got a little bit more time, but I really would like it if you guys and girls and teachers and parents and students and so on and so forth can do me the favor and please copy this format. That way it'll help you understand the differences and understand what is what and so on and so forth, of which is which. So, the top number, numerator. Okay? Bottom number, denominator. And then the number on the left-hand side is the whole number. Copy this format. That way, when you look at this formula, you know exactly what to do. And if it helps a little bit more, there's an X for multiplication and then a plus for addition. But anyways, you can pause the video here and copy everything you see. If not, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be making another video for fractions. So stay tuned.